Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to cook broccoli in the most delicious way. This is a stir-fried broccoli dish that uses just a few ingredients, and it is so simple you can make it in a few minutes. First, we will cut broccoli into florets. I am using one head of broccoli that is about 350 grams. Cut it carefully without breaking the florets. Then add 1 tablespoon salt to a bowl of water and soak the broccoli in the water for 20 to 30 minutes. This will help to remove any pests and clean the broccoli properly. Meanwhile, we can prepare the other ingredients. Take 2 to 3 cloves of garlic and mince them finely. Also take about 1-inch piece of ginger and mince it. Now drain the water from the broccoli. We can see that some of the florets are quite big. We can cut the broccoli florets into smaller, uniform-sized florets after washing. We will also be using some sliced carrot. Take 1 carrot, cut it into 2 lengthwise and slice it thinly. Heat up about 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Sauté the minced garlic and ginger for 30 seconds to 1 minute until slightly brown and fragrant. Now add the broccoli florets and stir to mix well. Then add the sliced carrot and mix. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and cover the pan to cook the broccoli until tender. Meanwhile, prepare a corn flour slurry. Take 2 teaspoons of corn flour. Also add half teaspoon salt. Add 2 tablespoons of water. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes at moderate heat. Do not cook too long as the broccoli color will change and look unappetizing. Mix well and pour the corn flour slurry into the broccoli. Switch off the stove and give a quick stir to the vegetables. The broccoli stir fry is ready to be served. Remove the broccoli from the pan. The broccoli will remain dark green after adding the slurry as it cools down the vegetables quickly and stops the cooking process. So there you have it, a delicious broccoli dish for lunch or dinner for your family. Serve it immediately with steamed rice or any flatbreads. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please subscribe for more easy recipes. Until then, happy cooking!